we're just riding around in here. We ain't paying for shit. Cheers. Sorry, let the gear out a little too quickly. So yeah, I just wanted to get a little higher up in one of these things and see what it looks like up top. But Smithfield Street 309. Trying to catch a view anyway. It's not like we're gonna park here and take photos or do burnouts or anything. Like, we're not gonna do anything illegal once we're in here. All they can do is tell us to leave, which we're gonna do as soon as we see the top. There's like construction down there. So yeah, that was weird. Oh, okay. That's it. No rooftop, but so like motorcycles could park up there and stuff. I just wanted to poke my head up and see what's going on at one of these like bays, but there's not really much to see out of here. Oh well. Oh wow, actually, scratch that. Is that a Jaguar? That is. That's a beautiful Jaguar sedan. I think someone's been parking it up there as like private parking. That's so cool. Yeah, they do. Well, I mean, I think this upper area might be closed. I don't get where the exit is. All right, well, I'm just following arrows at this point. Exit park. Okay. Round and round and round we go. Parking garages are kind of interesting structures. They're giant empty buildings. You know, when you think about it.